In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine PDF files into one online or offline without Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you are preparing a single report from multiple documents or tidying up a collection of scans, I'll show you a straightforward offline option and a quick online method so you can pick what suits your workflow. Let's start with a dependable offline approach. Open your browser and go to ilovepdf.com/desktop. From there, download the application from the website. The iLove PDF desktop app offers merge tools for both Windows and Mac, and once it's on your computer, you can combine PDFs without needing an internet connection. This is ideal if you are handling large files or working with sensitive documents, since processing happens locally. Before you begin, it helps to keep your PDFs clearly named and stored in one folder. That simple bit of organization makes arranging your files faster and reduces mistakes during the merge. Now, if you prefer to merge PDFs online, the process is just as easy. Navigate to a tool like iLove PDF or Adobe. On the site, look for and select Merge PDFs, then select your PDF files or simply drag and drop them into the tool. You'll see a preview of the files you added. If they need to appear in a specific order, take a moment to rearrange the files as necessary. A clear order up front prevents extra edits later. When everything looks right, click Merge PDF or Combine. The service will process your files, and larger documents may take a bit longer. When it's done, download the merged PDF. Your browser will usually save it to your default downloads folder. So if you don't see it right away, check there. A couple of quick tips as you choose between these methods. The offline desktop option is great when you want to keep everything on your device or when you'll be merging frequently without reliable internet access. The online method is fast and convenient for one-off tasks or when you are on a different computer. In both cases, having your files labeled in the sequence you want, like 1, 2, 3, can make rearranging much quicker. And after you've downloaded the final document, it's a good idea to open it once and skim through to confirm the order looks the way you expect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.